Okay, x to the power of square minus 2gx plus f equal to 0. There is a point A comma B here. There is another circle which is having center at A comma B and passing through the center of the circle. Understood? That means the center here is A comma B. This A comma B. And it is passing through the center of the other circle. What is the center of the circle? G comma 0. So what will be the radius? Distance between these 2 points will be the radius. So length CP will be, what will be the answer? Square root of
G minus.
the whole square plus B square.
Okay.
Answer A. Fine.
Okay, sir. Understood.
So here it is given as option
Option?
A, right? It's option A, right?
Option A only I given. What is the answer given in the book? Option A only.
Option A only, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now tell me next one. Question number.
Sir, in 12th one, I had doubt. 12th one.
But 12.
The 7th one also.
7th also. Okay. X comma 3 and 3 comma are extremities of diameter with the center at 2 comma y. Find the value of x and y. So the midpoint of the diameter is the center, no?
Yes,
Yes.
so we have to use midpoint formula, right?
Yes, midpoint formula.
Okay.
You will be having like this here. X comma 3 and 3 comma 5. And the center is 2 comma y. So x plus 3 by 2. X plus 3 by 2 should be 2. 3 plus 5 by 2 should be y. So x should be 1 and y should be 4. Is it okay? Tell me next one.
12th one, sir.
This is a good one. What are the equations of the circle? X square plus y square minus x upon k
Yeah, and minus y
Upon
upon
k
k
plus
plus
1.
1 equals to 0.
So the center of the circle is minus, so 1 by 2k and 1 by 2k. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
And radius of the circle will be 1 by 2k the whole square plus 1 by 2k the whole square minus 1. Radius of the circle.
Yes.
That became root of
1 by 4k the whole 4k square.
4k square twice, not 2 times.
Ah.
Minus 1. That is root of 1 upon 2k square minus 1.
Yes.
What is given to you? It's a real circle. What do you mean by a real circle? It means the radius is a non-negative number. So
Radius should be greater than 0.
not only radius, whatever inside the root should be greater than 0.
Okay.
Okay. So automatically radius greater. So 1 by 2k square should be greater than 1. So 2k square should be less than, this cross multiplies, is 1. K square is less than 1 by 2. So how to solve this? K is less than 1 by 2 and k is greater than minus 1 by root. That is modulus of k is less, or okay, another way of saying is modulus of k is less than 1 by root. So naturally k cannot be a negative number, so this is the answer. Okay, modulus cannot be negative, no? Modulus cannot be negative, so greater than 0. Fine, everybody understood?
Understood, sir.
So whenever you say real circle, g square plus f square minus c should be greater than 0. That's the meaning of real circle. Okay. If it was negative, then you call imaginary circle. And if it's equal to 0,
Then it's a point circle.
point circle. Tell me after that. After 13, what is
14.
After 12, 14, anybody?
Yes, sir. 14.
Point circle.
Yes,
So
sir.
radius will be 0, no? Radius of the point circle, g square plus f square minus c should be 0. So answer is A. Right? Then next. 15, no problem.
15, sir.
15.
15.
The equation of circumcircle of a triangle formed by x equal to 0, y equal to 0. What is x equal to 0?
It's the x-axis.
X-axis.
Y-axis and x-axis. X equal to 0 is y-axis. And here is the line, x equal to a. This is a line, x equal to a plus y upon b equal to 1.
Sir, it's
The
y minus y upon b.
So then in that case, you have to change the diagram. So you can imagine this x-intercept is positive, let's take it. Then y-intercept will be negative. Suppose I take x-intercept as positive, y-intercept will be negative. This point will be a comma 0. This point will be 0 comma b. Now you are asked to find the circumcircle. That means you have to find the equation of the circle. Tell me what is the circle? What does AB stands for?
It's
Diameter.
diameter,
It's
sir.
the diameter. So what is the equation of circle? X minus a into x minus 0 plus y minus 0 into y minus b equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. This would be your answer. Minus x. So answer is C. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here in the DPP B is given.
Which one?
Yes, sir. B.
What is the answer given to you? Here minus b, yeah? Minus b. So come plus b.
Okay.
So answer will be B. Answer is B. Correct. You are correct. Answer is B. Because y-intercept is negative. No? So it become plus B. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me next one.
The 17th sum.
The x coordinate of 2 points A and B are the root of this equation. Y coordinate is a point are the yeah. So what do you mean by this? You have a circle. Let's say this is the diameter. A and B are the x coordinate is of 2 points A and B are the roots. So let's say x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 and x2 are roots of x square plus 2x minus a square. How much will be x1 plus x2? Sum of the roots. And what will be x1 into x2? Product of the roots. Do you know this?
Yeah.
What is the formula for sum of the roots? Minus b. See, if alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, alpha plus beta is minus b by a.
And alpha into beta is c by a.
C by A.
B here is 2, b by a is minus 2, and c by a is minus 1. Okay. Then what the next question says? y1 and y2 are roots of y square plus 4y minus b square equal to 0. So what you can say? Oh, here 1 minute. And here it is a square. Yeah. It is a here. So it is minus a square. So y1 plus y2 is minus 4. y1 into y2 is minus b square. Now what you're asked to find? What to find? Then equation of circle with AB as diameter. So x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 will be the equation of circle.
Yeah.
If you expand this, you'll get x square minus x into x2. So you'll get x1 plus x2 plus x1, x2. When you open this one, you'll get y square minus y1 plus y2 into x plus y1, y2.
Into y.
Okay. Now this you know the value minus 2. And this you know the value minus a square. This you know the value y1 plus y2 minus 4. And y1, y2 is minus b square. So your answer is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus a square minus b square. So equal to 0. This is the equation. Look at the answer which is tallying with this. X minus 1 the whole square, x plus 1 the whole square, y minus 2 the whole square. So this will be this answer. Now convert this in this way. Otherwise, do one thing. There is a faster method. They have done in another method. Center of the circle is x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 is minus 2
Minus 2.
upon, so minus 1. y1 plus y2 is minus 4. Minus 4 upon 2 is minus 2. So center is minus 1.
Minus 1 comma minus 2.
So which can be the answer? Either B or it can be D, right?
Yes.
Now what is the radius of the circle? Either you can take from here radius. What is the radius of the circle? Tell me.
It's minus 1 comma minus 9. Minus 1 square
Minus 1 square
Minus 1
plus 2
plus
square minus of minus plus a square plus b square.
so it should be 5 plus
5
A
plus
square
a
plus
square plus
square.
b square. So answer is B. So D is not correct. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everybody followed the sum? You noted?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Either you can complete the square here also. If you complete the square also, you'll come to this answer, B. This is an important question, 17. Can I change? Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, somebody asked for 16. This I did before in the class. Let's imagine this x-axis and this y-axis. Then line x equal to A is here. Line x equal to 2A is over here. So what is this? X equal to A and x equal to 2A. That means from here to here distance is A. Then y is equal to minus A. Y equal to minus A.
Y equal to A.
And y is equal to A. What you're asked to find? A circumcircle of the quadrilateral formed by. So what will be the equation of the circle? Like this, you can form a circle. Oh. Okay. What will be the equation of the circle? What will be this point? 2A comma A. What will be this point?
A comma
Minus
minus
A.
A.
A comma.
minus A.
This is the diameter.
Yes, sir.
So the equation of circle will be x minus A into x minus 2A, y plus A into y minus A equal to 0. So x square minus 3ax plus 2a square, y square minus a square equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 3ax plus a square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So which is the answer?
Makes sense.
Sir,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the 17th sum, na, sir, if we use the method of completing the square, na, we will get the option answer as option D, sir, not option B. And in the book,
No, both will be same answer, dear.
no, sir, in the
You
book
said
also,
option which one? Which one you said? Which option?
option D.
No, there'll
And
be a square root. No, when you complete the square, what will happen?
so
You
in
will
the
get x
Google
plus
form,
1. I'll tell you, x plus 1 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole. Square root. Square will be there. No, so D is the correct answer, not A, because radius is root of y plus a square plus b square. So the equation is x plus 1 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is root of 5 plus a square plus b square the whole square. So the square root and square will go. D is the answer. Is it okay? Fine. Now tell me next one.
21st. 21st.
Equation of circle touching the line x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and x equal to 2c. Now x equal to 2c. X equal to 2c. Then equation of circle touching all this. Understood? No?
Hmm.
So what is the center? This is C. This will be also C. Na? If this is C, so see the midpoint, this is what 2c comma 0. This is 0, 0. So this will be C comma 0. That means this x coordinate is C. That means the radius is C. So,
Center is C by C, comma C.
so what will be the equation of the circle? X minus C the whole square. Y minus C the whole square. Radius also C. Na? So when you expand, x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2cy plus c square equals 0. Is it fine?
Sir, about this here, you have plus and minus for two options. So which one to choose? Because I'm little
No, this
confused.
plus minus, you can have one more circle down, no? Oh. This is one possibility. There is also another possibility like this. Now what I cannot change the diagram. I hope you understood.
Yes.
I'll draw it with that. You can find a circle like this. So the center of the circle will be x coordinate C, y coordinate will be minus C. So there will be a plus or minus C. Okay,
Yes, sir. Understood.
that is D. Everybody followed?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now next, which question next one? 28. Before 28, any other?
27.
23.
20?
20
24.
22.
22.
And 23 as well.
22 is easy. Now look at this. When does a circle touches the x-axis? G square should be equal to C. F square should be equal to C. Otherwise, you do one thing. Don't do all this. Find the center. 2, 2. What the radius? Root of 4 plus 4 plus minus 4. Is it 2?
Yes, sir.
If the center's x coordinate and y, if the center's x coordinate matches with the radius, then it is touching the what? If a circle touches y coordinate of the center will be radius. So here both of them are touching, so it touches both axes. Radius is equal to h and radius equal to k. So here this means touch y axis. This means touch x axis.
Achha. It's if the radius matches with x coordinate, then it touches the y axis.
Look at this. This I have been using this quite some time.
Yeah.
If it touches the x-axis, what will happen? This will become the radius,
Yes.
and that is a y-coordinate of the center, no?
Yes.
So if the y-coordinate and the radius are equal, the circle will touch the x-axis. Numerically equal, even negative sign, positive sign doesn't matter. Numerically equal. Even if you want -2, still they would be touching both the axes. Only thing
But the
will be lying
circle
in the
would
third
be
quadrant.
in the fourth quadrant instead
Yeah,
of
third quadrant instead of first quadrant.
third
Fine.
quadrant.
Everybody is clear? Okay.
Yes.
After 22,
So
23.
23rd, I got the answer as C, but it's
Is-
showing.
If A be the radius of the circle touching x-axis at the origin, then its equation is. So how it can be? It can be two ways. I'll draw a circle first because I'm having difficulty in drawing circle. Touching, This is a circle touching the circle. What is that? A circle of radius touches x-axis at the origin. Touches x-axis at the origin. Oh. Should be like this. Touches x-axis at the origin. In this I cannot draw properly. Okay. Okay. If the circle touches x-axis at the origin, now tell me what you can say. Where will be its center? Center will be on the y-axis. And if A be the radius, so this is A comma 0, 0 comma A. I thought 0 comma minus A.
Minus A.
So the center of the circle is either 0 comma plus or minus A, and radius is A. So equation is x minus 0 the whole square plus y plus or minus A the whole square equal to A square. And these things are all given as points. I don't know why you people didn't revise that or what. If a circle touches x-axis, what will happen? All this are given you as points. You didn't revise it, Anam?
Sir, I revised it, but
These points I had given you, no? A formula sheet I had given you at the beginning.
yeah, I remember I have that formula.
You have to just remember that, read that formula sheet and revise it, and then write the test. Right.
Sir, and I'll try all the wrong sums again today. Then I'll
Yes.
send it to you. Please
Yes.
check.
Yes. After 23, next.
Sir, 24th and 25th.
24th. There are the point on the line x equal to 0 touching. X equal to 0 means what? What do you mean by x equal to 0?
Y-axis.
Passes Yeah.
The point where the line x equal to 0 touches. So put x as 0 in the equation. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. So y minus 3 the whole square equal to 0. So y is equal to 3. So the circle will touch at 0, 3. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then the circle touch. Here, what is the center of the circle? 0, minus 3. What is the radius of the circle? 0 square plus minus 3 square, that is 3. So the y coordinate of the center is equal to the radius. So it touches x-axis. And it is center is on the y-axis. That means it is touches x-axis at the origin. See, whenever you have a doubt, now just sketch it. You'll get the answer. Center at 0, minus 3. Then radius is 3. So it has, this is 3. So it has to touch the origin. No? Okay.
Mm.
Now next one.
27.
20, 28, 26 and 27. Straight line, a straight line this cuts the circle at how many points? So what to do here? So imagine this as x square plus y square equal to 11. Imagine this as x plus y equal to 0. Can you tell me how the circle will be? Sketch the diagram for this. I put this as capital X, this is capital Y. This is also same thing. That's a y plus 3 it is. Okay. Otherwise, do one thing. Solve both the equation. X minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square equal to 11. Instead of x minus 2, you can write minus of y plus 3. I'm solving this equation of line with the equation of circle. How to solve equation of line with the equation of circle? Eliminate one of the vector. Instead of x minus 2, you can write minus y plus 3. If you expand this, you'll get like this. So 6y will get cancelled. 2y square equal to 18 minus 11. How much is 18 minus 11? Minus 7, no?
Yes, sir.
Y square cannot be negative. That means therefore the line do not touch. Line and the circle do not have a common point. Line and circle do not have common point. Is it clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I drew this is a circle. 3 possibilities are there with a line and a circle. One possibility is like this, line and circle is like this. Another possibility is circles touches. Another possibility is line intersect. If the line is intersecting, when you solve this, you'll get 2 values for y. If line is touching, you will get a quadratic equation where the roots are equal. If the line is not intersecting, then the y will be imaginary. Y is imaginary. That means the common point between the line and the circle is imaginary, which means line do not touch the circle. Is it clear to you? So answer is B. Answer is A, no point. Fine with everybody? Yeah.
So can you resend the scores because I didn't receive it.
Who is that?
Kashish.
What is why only you don't receive it? Okay, after the class I can do it because it takes time. Next one.
28.
Tell me if the
27.
line touches the circle. So what you can say? What should I do? Who has done this question?
Sir, if the line touches the circle, then the point should satisfy the equation of line.
So we have to just see the just take
Yes, I
the
didn't get
perpendicular
you.
distance.
That's the right method. The distance from the center, this is a very usual method, no? What is the
It
center
should
of the
be
circle?
equal to radius.
Radius is also 5. So the distance from the center, how much is that? 3 into 5 plus 0 minus m upon root of 3 square plus 4 square should be equal to 5. 15 minus m is plus or minus 25. So 15 plus or minus 25 is m. So either m is 40 or m is minus 10. Is it okay? Yeah.
1 minute.
Whenever a line touches a circle, this is what you have to apply. This is a standard result. You can't afford to forget it. Okay, done?
Done, sir.
The rest of I'll send you the recording. After 27.
28.
Length of the intercept. Why? I don't know why you people have all this problem. 10 times से किया है सब. Length of the intercept. Here is a circle. Here is a line. The center of the circle is origin. कितना बार किया मैंने? The radius is 1. Radius is 1. You can find OM. Pythagoras theorem, you can get AM and double it. You will get AB. So what is OM?
Root 2 as the answer.
Okay. OM is 0 plus 0 minus 1 upon root of 1 square plus 1 square. So 1 by root 2 is OM. This is 1. Now use the Pythagoras theorem. AM is equal to root of 1 square plus minus 1 by root 2 square. So root of 1 by 2 will come. So you got 1 by root 2. That is only AM. But you want AB. 2 times 1 by root 2. So answer is root 2. B is answer. Is it fine? Yeah. Now tell me next one.
Sir, in this
No,
it
but
is
in the
showing C.
yeah, option C, it's given correct.
Length of the intercept made by the circle on the line. Okay, let me check once again. 1 by root 2. IM is 1 by root 2. Square it. 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square root is 1 by root 2. 2 times its answer is correct. Root 2. B is answer. I'll correct it.
So mark this in.
Yeah. B. 1 minute. B. The rest I'll forget. That's it. Okay. Okay. Okay, tell me now.
Sir, 29, so I got the option as A, but it's showing that it's C. Can you please solve it? Maybe I've done something.
That's just the line. So what is the radius of the circle?
A itself, because it says the center is 0, 0, so it's a standard circle, and the general equation.
Yeah, radius of course. So what is the radius?
Take the perpendicular distance.
Perpendicular distance.
Okay, that thing.
1 upon 60.
5 square plus 12 square.
1 upon 13.
So 1 upon 13.
1 upon 13.
So x square plus y square is
1
equal
upon
to 1
16.
by 13 square.
1 by 169.
13 square. I didn't took that square. That's why I clicked option A.
All right, fine.
Yes, sir. It's fine then.
30, fine.
31.
31.
31. For the circle, this line, so find the perpendicular distance and radius. What is the center? 1 comma minus 2.
1 comma minus 2.
What is the radius?
3.
1 plus 4 plus 4, 3. Now we have got, this is a circle. This is 1 comma minus 2. Now find the distance from this line. 2 into 1 minus of minus 2 plus 1 upon root of
Root 5.
2 square plus minus 1.
9, 5, root 5 and
Plus
half.
5, root 5. Now tell me which is bigger, root 5 or 3?
3.
3 is bigger. That means what?
It's a chord.
It's a chord. This is root 3. And this is 5. This, how much? Root 5, root 5.
Root 5 and the radius is 3.
5. And radius is 3. Therefore, this is a secant. So it can be a chord. It can also be a diameter. How will you check whether it's a diameter or not?
It
Because
should
diameter
pass
distance from the center
It
to the
should
line would
pass
have been
through
0.
center.
It would have been 0. Right now,
Yes.
distance between the center and the chord would have been 0. So it is a chord. AB chord. Okay. So when does a line become a tangent? Distance from the center to the line is equal to the radius.
This
radius.
is the radius.
If it is less than the radius, it is
Let's
a
say the
chord.
radius, then it's a chord.
Then it's
If
a
more
chord.
than the radius
No,
is not a tangent, it doesn't touch the circle nor intersect the circle. And if the distance from the center to the line is 0, it's a diameter.
Diameter.
Fine.
Sir, 30th, can you show?
What happened?
Yes, sir.
30, 30.
Which one? 30.
Yes, sir.
What happened to 30?
We have
No.
doubts, sir. Can you solve?
Acha. The equation circle which touches the coordinate axis and whose center lies on the first quadrant. So how will be the diagram? This will be the diagram, no? And here will be the line. What is this point? 3, 0. What is this point? 0, 4. A circle touches the axis and the coordinate axis. So how the circle will be? Right? So what can you say about the center of the circle? Both will be r, r. And the distance from here also will be r. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now you want to find out what is the radius. C is this C, center is CC, and radius is also C. And radius is nothing but distance. This distance will be the radius. So substitute the point C by 3 plus C by 4 minus 1 upon root of 1 by 4 the whole 1 by 3 the whole square plus 1 by 4 the whole square. And that should be equal to the radius.
Radius C.
If you want to make the equation a little more easier, you do like this. 4x plus 3y.
4x plus 3y
Is equals to 12.
Yeah, that will be better. So we'll apply this. So what will be the equation of this?
4x plus 3y equals to 12.
So what will be
12.
the perpendicular distance? 4 into C.
4C plus 3C minus 12.
So this will help you to calculate faster.
Plus C square equals to C, yeah.
So 7C minus 12 is equal to plus or minus 4 square plus 3 square. No?
5C.
So 5C. So one possibility is what? Now remember C is a positive number because it lies in first quadrant.
Yes.
So one possibility is 7C minus 5C is 12. Another possibility is 7C plus 5C is 12. So 2C is 12. So C is 6. Here 12C is 12. So C. So either C is 6 or C is 1. We don't have 1. So C is 6. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How you get two values in this diagram? How it will be two value? One circle can be like this, like this. So like this will go. One circle can be inside. This will be radius 1. This will be radius 6. Followed?
Yes, sir.
One possibility is circle is like this. Another possibility is circle is like this. Fine with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Anybody writing? Okay. After 30th? 31st
Sir,
done?
I had doubt in 35.
35. If the circle cuts off a chord 2B, it's the same thing, no? Circle is cutting a chord. Same stuff. What is y equal to mx plus c? So mx minus y plus c equal to 0. Center of the circle is
0,
origin.
0.
So find the whole thing.
Perpendicular. Okay.
So OM. So what will be OM? C upon root of m square plus 1. What is OA? Radius.
A.
PAM, the root of OM square,
Find it by Pythagoras
OA square
theorem.
minus OA square minus OM square. You can do it, no?
Yes, sir, I'll do it also.
OA is A square minus C square upon M square plus 1.
And m square plus 1.
And 2 times this is your answer.
2 times radius is diameter.
Yeah. So length this is equal to 2b. So 2b is equal to 2 times root of a square minus c square upon m square plus 1. 2 got cancelled. So b square equal to a square minus c square upon m square plus 1. So what you can do now? C square goes to the other side. Equal to a square minus b square. Now cross multiply.
A square minus b square.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
Can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 32, sir.
30,
34th also.
32 I'll do, then 34. Same thing. If the line is intersecting the circle, distance from the center is less than the radius. If this line there's a line y equal to x plus c intersect the circle at 2 coincident points. That's a 2 coincident point means line is a tangent. When do the line intersect at coincident point? When it is a tangent. So if it is a tangent, what you can say? Distance from the center to the
Is
tangent
equal to radius.
to the radius. Okay.
Yeah.
कर सकते हैं ना?
Hmm.
So 0 plus 0 minus c upon root of 1 square plus 1 square should be equal to the radius. So c is root
Equal to root 2.
plus or minus. Okay. So
Yes,
if a
sir.
line intersect at coincident point, what does that mean?
It is a tangent.
Tangent, because they intersect at distinct points. It's a secant. If this point A and B become equal, then it becomes a tangent. Right?
Hmm.
Okay. Then who has 33? No? After this, what is the next one?
So 34th one, not 33.
This line and this line are tangent circle radius. I asked you this question before also.
Sir,
This distance when it asked in straight line also.
yeah,
This question straight line.
did it using the straight line formula only, that C2 minus C1 upon under root
A square plus B
plus
square.
B
These are
square.
parallel lines, you know.
Yeah,
So the equation of this is first one, 12x
minus 5, right? Minus 17 equals to 0.
24x minus 10y.
You need to divide it by 2 first.
Here divide by 2. So 12x minus 5y. So this distance will be what? What will be this distance?
This is the perpendicular
C1
distance
minus
between two
C2 upon root of.
A square plus B square.
So C1 is 22 minus 17 upon root of 12 square plus minus 5 square. How much it became? 39 divided by
Upon 13.
3 is your answer.
3. No,
So
sir, then you have to
that is
half it now
the
because
diameter.
it's the diameter.
So the radius will be 3 by 2. B, 1.5. Fine.
Yes, sir.
I'll remove it. 34th sum, please. Okay. 38th.
Sir, in the form it says the 38th sum has no correct option.
Yes, sir.
Form, no correct option.
No correct like options are marked.
It
I
says that
must
it
have
has no.
forgot to put the answer then. The gradient of the tangent line at a point on the circle. So imagine a circle. Wait. There's a circle with the radius A. The x-axis, y-axis is x-axis. Here is a point here. A cos alpha, A sin alpha. That means this is alpha. Now there is a tangent like this. So naturally tangent is perpendicular here. So what will be this angle? Sum of this 90 plus alpha. So what will be the slope of the tangent? Slope will be tan of 90 plus alpha, which is minus cot alpha. So answer is B.
So,
Answer was not given.
no.
Okay, I'll correct it now. All right. Any other doubt? Fine. 41 is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me next.
47.
47. This line is a normal to the circle. The portion of the line intercepted by the circle of length. Tell me. This is a very. You people draw. You should draw the line. A line is a normal to the circle. Normal is always passed through the. Normal will always pass through the
Center.
center of the circle. So if the line is passing through the center is 0, 0. So equation of this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means 0, 0 should satisfy the equation. So c's value should be 0. The portion of the line, they want the length of the line. So 2r. They did not ask you to do this. Without c's value they asked. The portion of the line intercepted between the circle. If it's a normal, what will be the portion of the line? It will be the radius, na?
Diameter. Yes.
It will be the diameter, not radius, diameter.
2r.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Any other doubt? Any other doubt?
No, sir.